So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a video from your camera roll here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, I want you to go to the top bar, press on the purple square. Once you're here, slide this top bar all the way to the right and press on the paperclip right here. And where you guys see take a photo or a video, or choose a photo or a video, that's how you guys can go in, view different photos or videos from your camera roll. Or maybe if you want to record one live, you can do that as well. And you can simply go ahead and insert that. So let's just see if I can do it here quickly. So I'm going to go press on take a photo or a video. I'm then going to let it access my camera roll. I'm then going to go ahead and add my photos. I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now. So let's just say this is my camera roll right here. I'm going to take a photo. Here's my wonderful photo. I can then take a video just like this. There's my wonderful video. I'm then going to go ahead and press on use video just like this. And there you go. There's my video that I just added. So I were to play it here. That's how wonderful it is, just like that. And yeah, pretty straightforward that way. So that's how you guys can add a video from your camera roll here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.